Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin. Okay, there are two main possibilities why have you clicked on this video. Number one, your touchscreen just froze. Your screen is frozen, you cannot do anything. Or two, you have installed new screen protector and you have troubles with your touchscreen. Well, let's start with the first one. By default, if we click and press power button and volume up button, we'll see this menu. Now I know that you won't see it since technically your touchscreen is frozen, but we are interested in this text right here. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for at least 10 seconds to force restart. As you can guess, this is what we want to do. So let's leave this and let's press power button and volume down button at the same time for about 10 seconds. If it doesn't work, and seeing that we have just made screenshot, it may not work, we'll try using volume up. Well, I guess we don't have to. As you can see, it did work, and pressing the power button and volume down button actually helped us with the restart of the phone. And now while the phone restarts, everything is being rebooted. Software, hardware, your applications, and most importantly your screen. So if your screen just froze, this should help you, hopefully. Now going with the other problem with the screen protector, what you want to do is you want to simply remove the screen protector and clean your phone. You can do that with some sort of microfiber cloth. I will use this thing right here, so I will now lock my screen and I will give it a nice little scrub. If you have still some troubles with dirt on your phone, I would also advise you to use some sort of wet thing, not necessarily water, but something dedicated for cleaning display screens. Then you want to probably leave the screen protector and you probably want to get something else, since if the screen protector was the problem, then yeah, you have to find something else. Or maybe the screen protector wasn't the problem and it's just your phone. There is also a high possibility that it's some sort of bug in the system, with the touchscreen not responding, or that you have problems with it responding. So in order to check that, we can go to settings, scroll all the way down, head into system update and check if you have the latest system version. It is a pretty high chance that such a very user-breaking bug, like touchscreen responding, have received a fix. So if you have encountered something like that, you can always check the system update. But yeah, that's all I can say. If for some reason your touchscreen is still not responding, there is a high chance that you may have some sort of physical damage, and then no matter what will you do from this tutorial, you won't really fix a physical damage, and then you want to simply check in some sort of phone workshop near your area. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.